Okay, go ahead. What do you say?
You're welcome. You goof. Oh, you put them both in there.
Mm-mm.
Oh, she's not. Good.
Delicious. Yummy or no?
Yummy, no.
Yummy? Do you like it?
Yummy, no.
Do you like the spicy?
Yummy, no.
What two?
You want spice? Do you want
This
more?
kind? You want this kind instead?
Two ones.
Two, please. What do you say?
One, two.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Ah.
Eyes.
Yeah. Does your cup have eyes? Two eyes, like Aubrey. I know exactly what you're gonna do. I knew it.
Yes.
It's not spicy. Are you eating it? Ooh, burpees. Excuse me, please.
Hi, Mooch. Hi, Moochie. Moochie wants one.
No.
But he can't eat those.
No.
He
Hi,
gets
Mochi.
Moochie would get sick. Hi,
Say
Mooch.
yummy.